My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up that come from the site saveyourtime.com. The problem with these pop-up windows is that most often they are the result of certain adware currently being enabled in the system. These pop-ups also try to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Such pop-up windows may come up in new browser tabs, even though it happens without your participation. So you can imagine that you use your browser for perceiving some decent information, and then suddenly your attention is being interrupted by these alerts by the site saveyourtime.com. Well, obviously that's really irritating and that's very distracting indeed. Now, if you see these pop-ups, keep in mind and remember that they are not as good as they claim to be. As I said, their mission is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted program. We recommend that you carefully research the control panel of your computer. Look for suspicious programs, because often the unusual browser behavior may be the result of some adware to be enabled in the system. Also, sometimes there could be some unwanted browser extension in your Chrome, so go to the menu More Tools, Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions enabled, disable and delete them. Finally, we recommend that you carefully research and investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.